Good afternoon, and thank you very much for joining me. The first few cases I'll be talking about have a theme of employment status. You will see the first on that list is Ready Mix Concrete. That is not a recent case, and I normally speak about only recent cases, but it's, in my view, important to understand the background test that is generally applied in other cases. So we'll be having a quick look at Ready Mix Concrete. Then moving on to the more recent cases, the PG Mole Professional Game Match Officials Limited case involving football referees. That considers the questions of mutuality of obligations and control. There's the IR35 case, George Mantides Limited, relating to a urologist. And just to complete the set, a case called Wilson involving a member of an LLP who was arguing that he was in fact an employee of the LLP. And we'll see how he fared in that case. Depending on how timing goes, either just before or just after the break, we'll be looking at the Crippen case, which is a main residence relief case. And definitely after the break, we'll have a look at three cases: the case of Fisher involving transfer of assets abroad, the late fixed protection election made in the case of Ketley, and then the Fashion on the Block Limited case, where the company submitted the wrong form when it was applying for Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme. And as a little bonus, my notes consider the case of Mutual Trading Medical Defence Union and highlight a discussion on the main principles to be considered when looking at whether or not an entity is ultimately a mutual trading organisation, such as a members club.